Convert Python datetime to epoch with strftime. I have a time in UTC from which I want the number of seconds since epoch. I am using strftime to convert it to the number of seconds. Taking 1st of April 2012 as an example. 1st of April 2012, UTC from epoch is 1,333,238,400, but this above returns 1,333,234,800, which is different by 1 hour. So it looks like that strftime is taking my system time into account and applies a time zone shift somewhere. I thought datetime was purely naive. How can I get around that? If possible, avoiding to import other libraries unless standard. I have portability concerns.
If you want to convert a Python datetime to seconds since epoch, you could do it explicitly. In Python 3.3+, you can use timestamp instead. Why you should not use datetime.strftime%s. Python doesn't actually support %s as an argument to strftime. If you check at this URL, it's not in the list. The only reason it's working is because Python is passing the information to your system's strftime, which uses your local time zone.
I had serious issues with time zones and such. The way Python handles all that happened to be pretty confusing to me. Things seem to be working fine using the calendar module. See links 1, 2, 3 and 4.
Sorry, it wouldn't let me comment on existing answer.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.